Being on YouTube all the time, people notice everything. The way I talk, the gear I review, and yep, even my teeth. And I'll admit it, that's made me a little obsessed with finding the best toothbrush out there. I've already reviewed a number of different toothbrushes and found them pretty impressive. But today, we've got something new. The SAKYPRORAL G5S Smart Electric Toothbrush, as you can see just there. This one claims to take things even further with an AI screen, as you can see an example of it just there, real-time brushing maps, and a battery life that can last up to 150 days. That's right, 150 days. Isn't that nuts? I'm Andrew, and in this video, we're going to unbox it, test it in the real world, and I'll share my honest experiences so you'll know if it's the best smart toothbrush of 2025. And again, if you want to purchase these, there's links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I love your support as always. So let's start with the unboxing. So in the box, you get the G5S handle with built-in smart screen, 2 W-shaped diamond brush heads with protective caps, a travel case, a USB-C charging cable, and a manual. Straight away, guys, it does look sleek. The black finish gives it a premium look, and it feels solid in the hand. More like a piece of tech than a bathroom accessory, and it feels very good with the contouring as well. Now, as you can see, let's talk about the screen, because it's a real feature that sets this apart. The G5S has a real-time brushing map that divides your mouth into 6 zones. As you brush, the screen shows you which areas you covered and flags the ones you missed in red. When everything turns green, you get a big tick and you know you've done, which is great. Now, it's not scanning your actual teeth though, guys, so don't be worried about that. It uses a 6-axis gyroscope to track the motion and angle of the brush. The effect is the same though. It motivates you to brush properly and not rush it. So, guys, I'm going to jump in now and actually show you this in action in the bathroom so you can see exactly what you mean. So what better way to look at the actual operation of the SAKYPRORAL G5S is using it brushing. Now, I've got the toothbrush just here. Now, as you can see on the display just here, you've got the different modes as we went through earlier. So if we hold that down, it comes on. Now, that's where it shows you, so that's just turned it on, but just stop it for a minute. So that just there shows what was done with my last toothbrush. So you see how it shows you your mouth? So it really shows you where you should be brushing. So I didn't brush enough on the bottom of my mouth just there. So if we're going to go turn it on now and show you exactly how it works. So I grabbed the toothpaste out of my bathroom mirror and put it on there. Now it's got the different cleaning modes as well. I like to have more of a kind of like a kind of cleaning mode. Now I'm going to brush my teeth now and we're going to fast forward it, but I'll come back to you in a minute with the results. So there you go. So I've been brushing for a while now. Now look at that. I've only completed 44% of my brushing. Now, I thought I'd been doing a good job there. Now what it shows you is around the top of my teeth and around the bottom of it, I need to do a lot more brushing. So it just shows that I've only had 44% coverage, but I literally thought I was doing a good job. So what I do now is I actually go and brush underneath. I'm going around it. But what I'm finding overall with the toothbrush is it gives a great clean. The reason being is you put your tongue over your teeth, and it feels so good. So it really does give you a good clean. That's because of the brush heads there, you see. They operate so quickly, but they really do like get right into the teeth. Now that's because of the 6 area tracking that it shows on you, and it gives feedback directly if you haven't done it correctly, which I think. So by pressing the buttons, we can switch between the modes as well. You can really feel the difference of the zzz, it goes right in there. After 30 seconds, it lets you know. But you can brush up to 2.5 minutes. After 3 minutes, though, it does shut off because you obviously don't want to be brushing forever. The screen is, and you've got different modes on there, like the massage, gentle mode, and obviously off as well. But great toothbrush, and it's changed how I toothbrush. Having the symbol there, display there, really makes a massive difference because you don't be doing apps and stuff like that all the time. You want to be using your toothbrush right here. So fantastic. As you can see there, guys, I normally brush for 2 minutes, but with this found myself pushing closer to the full 3 minutes just to clear the map. And guys, how about you with your toothbrush? How long do you brush for? And do you think that's overkill for a toothbrush? The other thing with this thing is the power is strong. 79,000 vibrations per minute with a 20-degree oscillating motion. So if we put it on there now, as you can see, it's just a gentle speed at the moment, and you can really feel the vibrations going at. Now it's dentist level sonic cleaning, and you really feel it. My teeth feel smoother after just one use compared to other toothbrushes. Now it also comes with the 5 brushing modes as I'm showing you. So you've got beginner, whitening, fast, massage, and gentle. Personally, I found whitening mode gave me the best daily clean, while massage modes felt surprisingly relaxed on the gums. And again, I showed you how those worked in that video. Now again, battery life is insane. SAKYPRORAL claims 150 days on a single charge. 150 days, guys. I mean, I've only had it for like a few weeks now. So I've been using it daily for a few weeks, and the battery hasn't budged, which is good. As you can see, it's still on full. That only makes it perfect for travel, especially with the included case, as you can see just here. So imagine going on a 3-week trip and not meaning to pack the charger. So many times as well, I've gone short. So I used the Oral-B in the past, and I ran out of batteries all the time. But it's not perfect. So the AI brushing map is cool, but sometimes it told me I'd missed a zone when I was sure I'd brushed there, because it's tracking your movement, not your actual teeth. That being said though, I don't mind that too. Now it doesn't have a pressure sensor, so if you're someone that tends to brush too hard, it won't warn you. But then again, the other toothbrushes I reviewed didn't have that either. So, and if you use soft brushes, this is quite soft. It shouldn't matter too much. So overall, it's been a great experience. The G5S feels like a step up in brushing tech, from a smart screen feedback to the crazy battery life. Compared to other toothbrushes I've reviewed, it feels more advanced and more motivating to use. But guys, is it the right toothbrush for everyone? Well, you know, if you want a simple toothbrush, you're not going to get it with this one. But a lot of people I know are using manual brushes at the moment, guys. You need to get an electric toothbrush. The reason being is the dentist I spoke to said the electric toothbrush allows you to get to all the points. You think about it, you press this, it's vibrating like that. When you use a toothbrush, you're just doing this. This gets right into your teeth, gets all through there, and of course, don't forget to floss. So what do you think? Would you use a toothbrush that actually shows you where you've brushed? Or do you reckon that's too much tech for the bathroom? Guys, let me know in comments, and hit like if it's helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. And also check out our full playlist of toothbrush reviews. Again, we love having lovely clean teeth. It's very, very important. Make sure you like the video and click like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at the channel.